This short tutorial shows how to buy shares of Safestore Holdings PLC, a UK self-storage operator. Safestore is listed on the LSE PLC under the ticker SAFE.L, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds to enable purchases. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker SAFE.L to find the listing. Select the result that matches Safestore Holdings PLC to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart showing recent performance. Double-check the company name and ticker to confirm this is the correct Safestore listing. Click Invest or Buy. Choose the amount you want to commit, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session. And if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will request you add funds before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is provided in the description for reference. And remember, this video is for educational purposes only.